Hello students. Today we are going to read lesson 1 from your class 6 supplementary reader, A Pact with the Sun. The name of the lesson is A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds is a famous folk tale from ancient India. This story revolves around two birds who took birth from the same mother but grew in the company of different people. Let us understand the story through comic strips. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. The tall tree in which the birds lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the birds. Fortunately for the baby birds, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby birds became big birds. One day, the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. He rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse near a tree. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away." Amazed, the king saw a big brown bird. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got onto his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was the Rishi's ashram. The king tied his horse to a tree and sat down in its shade. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announce, "Welcome, sir. You look tired. Please come inside and make yourself at home. There's some cold water in the pot. The Rishi will be back soon." The king thought, "This one looks like the other bird outside the cave." "You are right, sir. He is my brother, but he has made friends with robbers. He now talks as they do. He doesn't talk to me anymore." Just then Rishi entered the ashram. The king told the story of the two birds and how each had behaved so differently, though they looked so alike. He said, "The forest is full of surprises." You know what the sage said? "After all, one is known by the company one keeps." That bird has always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talks about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcomes people to the ashram. Let me tell you more about this place and these birds. So, dear students, what did we learn from this lesson? We learned that a person's company has lots of influence on him or her. Good company helps you learn good things, and bad company makes you learn bad things. So, one should keep the company of good people. Children, even your parents want you to have a good company. So, spend time with good friends and interact with good people. Okay? You should make friends with people who are of good nature. I hope you understood. Thank you.